Okay. For the announcement of the top 5 for the Creative Attire Competition in random order. Ibig sabihin po, not necessarily in order. First, for the top 5 is candidate number, move forward, candidate number 13. 13. It's 13. Honey Grace M. Valdez. For the next second finalist is Kimberly Escora, candidate number 10. Candidate number 10. Ikaw na. Pwede ba isang pamalalang dyan na kuya? Third finalist. The third finalist is candidate number 6. Ina Marie Venezuela. And the next finalist, fourth finalist is candidate number
11.
Candidate number 15, Jessica Guzman. And the last finalist
12.
is...
12.
Bakit nakapagit ka?